The difference between individual address and group address within KNX system. KNX system use this two type of addressing format. The first one is known as individual address, while the other one is known as group address. Let's take a look at the first one, that is individual address. What is the individual address? A individual address is a unique address given to each KNX device or physical device in the system. Think of it like an IP address for each device. It uses a three-level format known as X.Y.Z. X is referred to area and could be any number from 0 to 15, while Y is referred to line also from 0 to 15. And Z is referred to device and could be any number from 0 to 255. The example of individual address for this actuator are 2.1.4. With this 2.1.4 individual address number, this actuator mean to be device number 4 on line 1 in area 2. The individual address used mainly for commissioning, diagnostic and addressing individual devices in ETS. The individual address are not used for regular communication between devices during operation. Now we will look at the group address. What is the group address? Group address is a logical address used for communication between devices. Devices use group address to send and receive commands like turning on lights, adjusting blinds, etc. Group address typically structure in three level, that is X/Y/Z. X refer to main group, Y refer to middle group, and Z refer to subgroup. The example of group address are 1/0/1 means group address in main group 1, middle group 0 and subgroup 1. The group address is mainly used in group communication, where it is the main method KNX use. Devices like sensors, switches, and actuators listen to or send on group addresses. Let's see the comparison between these two addressing. Individual address versus group address. Use. Individual address use for device management, while group address use for device communication. Format. Format for individual address are X.Y.Z, while group address format are X/Y/Z. Uniqueness. Individual address are unique for each devices, while multiple devices can share the same group address. Example 1.2.10 for individual address, while 1/0/2 for group address. Individual address used for programming and diagnostic each devices, while group address used for a runtime communication.